Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do long division with four-digit numbers. We will begin by understanding the fundamental steps involved in long division. First, you divide, then multiply, subtract, and finally bring down the next digit. This cycle is repeated until all digits of the dividend have been used. Mastering these four steps is crucial for successfully solving any long division problem, no matter the size of the numbers. Let's set up our long division problem. You'll write your four-digit dividend inside the division bracket, and the divisor will go on the outside to the left. For example, if dividing 8,765 by 23, you'd first look at 87. Determine how many times 23 fits into 87. This initial estimation is a key step to starting the division process correctly and efficiently. Now let's dive into the core cycle: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, or DMSB. After dividing and placing your quotient digit, multiply that digit by the divisor. Write this product below the part of the dividend you just divided. Next, subtract to find the remainder. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number and repeat the entire DMSB cycle. This systematic approach ensures accuracy. You'll continue the DMSB cycle until every digit from your four-digit dividend has been brought down and used. Once there are no more digits to bring down, the number remaining at the bottom is your final remainder. If this remainder is 0, your division is exact. Otherwise, you'll write the remainder next to your quotient, typically using an R for remainder. For instance, a result might be 381 with a remainder of 2.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.